Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to fix Vanguard error Van 1067 in League of Legends. If you're ready, let's begin. First, type services into the search bar in the bottom left corner and open it. On the page that opens, press View once and find the VGC service. Right-click on VGC and select Properties. Click on Startup Type and select Automatic. Click Start. Then click Apply and then OK in that order. In the second step, type Apps and Features into the search bar and open it. Type Vanguard in the search bar, click on Vanguard once, then click the Uninstall button. The uninstalling process takes approximately 1 minute. After uninstalling Vanguard, open the Riot client. Click Update to reinstall Vanguard properly. This process will take 3 to 5 minutes depending on your internet speed. I hope this tutorial video on how to fix Vanguard error Van 1067 in League of Legends was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.